Hello everyone, Jonathan with GamedayMath. I have a tutorial video highlighting the line analysis feature within the GamedayMath platform. I've got the picks page pulled up here. This is the top EV bets at any given moment of time using a top-down blended no-vig methodology that highlights recent chart movement. That's all embedded in our bet score feature on GamedayMath. It's going to rank it from highest bet score down to lowest, and it's going to give you a nice, easy green interface to know dark green, 80 and above. Those are really great bets. Anything in that mid 70s and above is a solid EV play, but might require a little bit further analysis. And that is what I'm going to be highlighting today, is how you can see the entire line history of a specific market using the line analysis mode that we have available. On the right toggle side, it's going to default to bet tracker mode. So when you highlight it plus 265 commanders, it's going to bring up your bet tracker to see the bet score, the no vig line, expected return on investment, and your EV percent, and give you a bet size suggestion. And you can log your bet there and track it. That's the default. But if I want to see how this plus 265 has came about, what the movement's been since the line opened to where it's at today, I'm going to go ahead and select that line analysis mode, and I'm going to highlight the plus 265 again, select that, and it's going to bring up the entire line analysis feature here for the Broncos and Commanders. And I can see what the line's open. So we opened at minus 315 on Broncos, plus 235 on Commanders, and we've had some steam action to bring that minus 315, make the Broncos even more of a favorite, down to minus 345. In the reverse on the Commanders, started at 235. Now we're up to plus 265. But what you can see here, and what's flagging this as an EV bet, as a really high 84 bet score, is the line was at plus 280 and it actually dropped 15 cents down to 265. So that's a pretty big line movement, saying that there's a little bit higher probability that the Commanders are going to actually pull the upset. We've got this line predictor feature here. So if it's a down arrow in red, that means that we predict the line is actually going to get shorter. If it's green, we predict the line is going to get longer. And you can see that based on recent movement. And that recent line movement is all embedded in the bet score. So what we want as sharp bettors is we want the best odds, the longest odds, because we get paid out more with those. And that's what the bet score is going to highlight, is show recent chart movement to identify where there might be a mispricing and an EV bet for you. This line analysis mode will confirm that, and it's also going to give you broader context to know what the opener was, how lines have moved, and to be able to give you just more confidence in that bet. Again, this is all just embedded within the platform, line analysis mode. Use it to sharpen your sports betting. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment of any future tutorial videos you'd like to see. Otherwise, best of luck with your sports betting. We'll see you on the next one.